Welcome to Hyperspeed Media YouTube チャンネル。
Gonna do a walk around all the Miatas. A lot of rust on this one. Love that color though. LED headlights. NV2. Supercharged. It's really low. Is it on bags? It's on bags? Yeah, I bet. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Raised repeat bumper, carbon Miata flare. Vented fender, side mirror. That's really. I love this color. This color's nice. This color's nice too. Custom paint over fender. Turbocharged too. Good decent sized turbo. Sorry. Yeah. It's Ed's car. Very nice. Flex wheel. Chair is really nice too. Got the OMG shift knob. Shifter. Nice and clean NV2. Ooh, for sale. This is a very clean NA. Eunice. For sale $14,500. I mean $14,500. Fully legal, clean title. Very nice. Nice and clean. This looks to be painted soon. Bet you it's gonna look really good after that. LED headlights, New York. ND, another ND. Nice.
No, it could be.
What happened to your power cord on your knob?
Yeah, I don't know. The guy's he said he was working.
Didn't you powder coat everything else? Everything else is fine.
Yeah,
That's fine.
he did the rest of it. He did everything else. And it was my first time ever. And it's a
This has a nice pink pearl into it. Clean. Color is very unique. Flare is nice too. And see. Mazda speed. Very nice. This has a unique paint coat. Has like black flakes in there. It's hard to see it from the camera.
Big video, bro?
Yeah.
Want to do some wink bonds? Want to look at some wink bonds?
Yeah, absolutely. Which one is yours? Is it further back there? Oh, okay, let me get to that. I'm just going.
Andres, I'm glad you're doing well. I'm really
Yeah.
glad. Yeah, you too.
Very nice. This one's okay. Which one is that? Is it? Okay, yeah. Let me go back and then I'll come back. Yeah. No, actually, yeah. Let me. Good. What's your name?
Andres Dominguez.
Okay.
Or you can follow me at Big Sad Miata.
Okay. Oh, you got the carbon Miata.
Yeah, I have Miata.
I see it. Okay. Not that bright, huh? In the daytime, huh? Yeah. Yeah.
At night they're pretty great.
Right. Bright time, nighttime should be fine. So you got the headlights too. The headlights are more visible than that one. Yeah. Did you get the back too? Did you get the carbon Miata back too?
I did not get the Miata.
Oh, okay.
I have to see what I want back to.
Yeah, okay. Very nice.
Check out the third brake light.
What's going on with that? Oh, nice. It's a screen show? Okay.
Just slow that one down.
Okay. Did you make that or you?
I got a Christmas speech from some guy named Dan Dack in Lithuania.
Okay.
He's on Etsy. You can check him out.
Okay. That's cool. I like that. Very cool. Very cool. Yeah.
Do you have any social media like that?
Huh?
Do you have any social media?
Hyperspeed Media.
Hyperspeed Media?
Yeah. Nice flare. Love this color, man. It's super.
So people can swipe their hands before they grab them.
Nice white.
Here we go, bro.
All right, let's see this.
All right, so what do you want first? Let's do a wink left,
Nice.
a wink right,
Mm-hmm.
but a double right left. And double wink together.
Yeah.
That we know how to do. Sleepy eye. And we'll do they call this, I don't like it, but they call it Mexican right left.
Do it again.
Mexican right left. I'm not sure what that means. Yeah, there's the app. Those are the controls for the app.
Very cool.
And it gives you a list. It's also got a diagnostic module.
What's that do?
It just gives the same thing any other diagnostics would do.
Oh, okay.
Would you give you the readings on any codes?
Oh,
if
that's
I have
cool.
any?
I didn't even know they offered that.
Yep.
Okay.
And then you got wink right left.
Uh-huh.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Easy installation
Yeah.
too.
What's your name?
Connected to the lights. My name's Joel. Nice to meet you all.
And where can they find you? You got Instagram or anything?
I am on Instagram as Car Pin Collection.
Car
I
Pin
make
Collection.
metal,
really?
metal colored car
Okay.
pins
What was that?
for NA, NB, NC, and ND. So they look like this. There's the hard top.
Oh yeah,
And
I
the
seen that.
convertible.
Oh, you make that?
Yep.
Yeah, I seen that on the internet.
And I do them on all colors.
That's really cool.
And this is this car you're looking at right here.
Right. You gotta make me a custom one. Can you make me a custom
Tell
one?
me what you want.
Just that gray one. With the wing, I didn't put the wing in yet.
Oh, the gray hard top is yours?
Yeah.
I have a dark gray coming in NA.
Oh, okay.
So it'll be about 3 weeks away.
Yeah.
With the hard top, it'll be this car.
Right.
Gray.
Right. Could you alter the way it look or what?
Not
Or-
really, because
okay.
what happens is this is made from a mold.
Ah,
So we
okay.
pull blanks from the mold
Yeah,
and then
yeah,
we
yeah.
paint the molds.
Oh,
And we
okay.
paint the blanks.
I gotcha. So that makes more sense to just mass produce something like that than just do a
We
custom
mass
one.
produce the blanks.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay,
The
that
only
makes more
thing I
sense.
can do is I can make the wheels blacked out these days.
Right.
So a lot of people are asking for black wheels.
I see.
So we started being able to do that.
Yeah, makes
And-
sense.
We changed the
Very
wheels
cool.
on the convertible a little bit. Thanks.
Yeah, absolutely.
What's your name?
Sita.
Sita.
Yeah,
Joel.
Joel. Nice to meet you, sir.
too,
Yeah,
Sita.
absolutely.
Good job.
I'm gonna just run past
Go
these
for it,
two
go
real
for
quick. Yeah, so this is Justin car. Very unique. Has all this exterior stuff. The mirror is from a motorcycle. Really small. The hood is, as you can see, the hood is flip forward instead of open it backward. Big giant radiator. Check out the overflow tank. Everybody got to see that. Headlight is unique. Has this latch right here. It's really cool. Big giant wing. Antenna look like a 50 cal. It's a lot of gray Miata. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, most people either they think all you were telling me it's probably put that RX-7 from the back.
Lift that
And I
damn thing.
believe
Is that RX-7 wing? Nice NC. 30-year anniversary. ND. Another clean NA. Yeah, nice Miata, man.
it's an NBMW.
Yeah, 3.0 Miata. Another choice. Didn't realize that. 1.6. Which side? This side or this side? Oh, okay. Let me edit it out real quick.
Please subscribe to Hyperspeed Media YouTube チャンネル